Welcome back, OnePlan users, to another PPM Works learning segment regarding the June 2026 release updates. My name is Madison, and today I'm going to go over a brief explanation of updates made to resource planning. Let's get started. In the resource plan, you have the ability to export all the information you see here. Once it's in the Excel spreadsheet, you can make changes offline to things like hours, names, and dates. When you're ready, you can import it back into OnePlan and it will automatically make those changes for you. Shifting allocations and resources has become easier than ever. If your project dates change, you can move everything at once. All the people plus their hours will simply move together now. We hope you enjoyed this brief learning segment here with PPM Works. My name is Madison, and be sure to check out other videos posted on our channel regarding the 2026 June release updates. Thanks so much. We'll see you next time.